The topic is basic economic concepts. In this, we will see the economic problems, that is scarcity and choice. The economic problems we call the three basic economic problems facing by all the economic system. That is, what get produced, how is it produced, and who get it. Given scarce resources, how do large complex societies go about answering the three basic economic questions? But there's a fundamental problem: scarcity. Unlimited wants and needs but limited resources. The resources are limited, and to satisfy the unlimited wants and needs of people. Why choice? We make choice about how we spend our money, time and energy so we can fulfill our needs and wants. What are needs and wants? Wants and needs, needs and wants. Needs is the stuff we must have to survive, generally food, shelter and clothing. And wants is the stuff we would really like to have, like fancy food, shelter, clothing, big screen TV, jewelry, conveniences, also known as luxuries. The production possibility frontier, which is followed in the problem of choice. The production possibility frontier is a graph that shows all of the combinations of goods and services that can be produced if all of society's resources are used efficiently. Now let us see in this. On one side we have kept the consumer goods, and on the other side capital goods. The production possibility frontier curve has a negative slope that indicates the trade-off that a society faces between two goods. The slope of the PPF is also called as the marginal rate of transformation, that is MRT. Now in the next curve, point inside the curve are inefficient. At point H, the resources are either unemployed or are used inefficiently. In point F is desirable because it yields more of both goods, but it is not attainable given the amount of resources available in the economy. Point C is one of the possible combination of goods produced when resources are fully and efficiently employed. Now the A moves along the curve illustrates the concept of opportunity cost. In order to increase the production of capital goods, the amount of the consumer goods will have to decrease. Now let us see the next curve. The concave shape of the production possibility frontier curve reflects the law of increasing opportunity cost. As we increase the production of one good, we sacrifice the progressively more of the other good. In this way, production possibility curve in problem of choice occurs. Thank you.